Have you ever been building a kit while daydreaming about building another kit? That's how you get to WIP Wednesdays. WIP Wednesday! Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com. There comes a time in every man's life when he's a young, and back in those days we didn't have a name for it, weeb. And there comes a very special bond that young man has with a very special anime. Mine was Evangalion. So I ventured out into the great unknown, and I was able to find success in my gathering and scavenging missions. The local hobby store's shelves were not ransacked for once, and they were newly open to the public. I ventured inside, and what I found was this. I have been wanting a Eva Unit 1 for so long. Not really expecting a lot from this kit. It was made in 1997, and I mean, it's a HG from 1997. What could you really expect from a kit like that? But it is a limited edition, as the box indicates, and I really hope that it just brings back some good memories, and I can just enjoy this build as is. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can see more videos from me, and let's get started.